How to stop losing customers because of poor staff performance. Call quality is one of the most underrated drivers of business success, and AI is the most effective solutions to fix it. In this video, I walk you through a step-by-step system for using AI to control call quality and triple your business profit. Stay until the end. I've prepared a free bonus to help you implement this in your business. When we launched Caps Lock, it is a capsule hotel chain, it felt like everything was going okay. Our front desk managers answered calls, checked in guests, and our occupancy rate was average. We didn't dig too deep. We figured out it was normal, like everyone else. But then we started noticing strange things. Guest complaints started increasing. Bookings started to drop. Conversion rates on phone calls were suspiciously low. And then one moment changed everything. We overheard a call where one of our staff told the customer, "Sorry, we're fully booked." But in reality, half of the capsules were empty. So why? It's just the human nature. It's laziness and lack of motivation. It was easier for them to say no and go back to scrolling on their phone. That's when we decided to fix it. And step number one that we did, we gave them commission per booking. And suddenly they had a reason to say yes now and help more guests, not push them away. Step two, we created a clear call script and operating rules. Step number three, we built a quality scoring system right inside a simple Google Sheet. For example, it worked like this. If you didn't say hello, then you got -1 point. If you're late to shift, you got -3 points. If you're sleeping on the job, -2 points. Or if you gave correct information, it's +2 points. If you handled all the objections correctly, it's +1 point, and so on. So every good action equals points added, and every mistake is equals points deducted, all tracked automatically. You can update it anytime. You could add new behaviors or adjust scores, and the sheet calculates daily, weekly, and monthly performances. And step number 4, we added bonuses for high scores and penalties for low scores. And as the result, people started caring. Performance improved, no more yelling, no chaos. If you finally want to fix your team's quality issues and stop the endless mistakes and arguments, drop your situation in the comment and I'll reply with a solution, or I can even make a full video how to help you and solve this problem. So we didn't stop there. We hired a quality control manager. They manually listened to calls, filled out the same spreadsheet, and created reports. At first it worked, but soon we realized now we had to monitor the monitor. And we were back to square one. Human factor, time wasted, inaccuracy, etc. That's when we found the real answer. This job belongs to AI. It's automatic, tireless, unbiased, and consistent. Like a Kalashnikov of quality control. Today, everything works completely differently. We've implemented a fully automated call quality control system powered by Make.com, integrated with Binotel, Gemini AI, Google Sheets, and Telegram. So what happens after every incoming call? Step 1 is Binotel automatically records the call. There's no need to manually download anything. Step number 2, Make.com picks the audio and sends it for transcription. The entire conversation is turned into text, not just a raw text, but it's a structured dialogue clearly separating what the client says and what the employee says. That's critical for accurate analysis. And step number 3, then AI takes over. Using Gemini, the system analyzes the call based on 10 key quality criteria. For example, did the staff greet the client and introduce themselves? Did they clearly mention the price and terms? Did they describe the capsule, the room numbers, and what's included in the price? Did they handle the objections properly? Or did they confirm the booking and clarify the details? Each point is scored from 1 to 0. So it's either 1 or 0. And the AI provides a comment with recommendations, what was done well and what needs to be improved. The system instantly logs the total score, the summary of the conversation, the emotional tone, whether it was friendly, neutral, or conflict. Plus, it gives you the direct links to the audio and the transcript. The emotional tone is especially important. If the employee was rude, irritated, or created conflict, the system flags it immediately. In those cases, the manager gets a real-time alert so they can step in, review the issue, and give feedback or correction. This helps you prevent negative reviews, improve your team's communication, and consistently raise your service level. And it's all sent automatically, first to the Google Sheets for reporting and long-term analysis, and second to the Telegram, where both the team and the management see instant reports. So within 30 to 60 seconds after the call ends, you have a full breakdown. What was said, how it was handled, what was the outcome of the call. All without lifting a finger. No manual listening, no reports, it's fully automated. This system runs on a smart stack of 5 AI tools. First is Binotel, it's a VoIP call recording. Second is Make.com, it's an automation engine. Third is Gemini AI, it's Google AI for speech analysis. Number 4 is Google Sheets, it's for reporting. And 5 is Telegram, it's for instant alerts. So the call logic is very simple. First comes the call, then it goes to transcription, then the analysis of this transcription happens, then they give the report and the alert. One Make.com scenario, no buttons, no friction, just results. Now let's talk numbers. What did we actually gain from this automation? First is time saved. Before, one quality control manager would spend up to 20 hours a week for just listening calls. That's nearly half of a full-time job doing repetitive manual work. Today, every call is processed automatically in real time. Those 20 hours are now dedicated to far more meaningful things. Second is direct cost savings. We're now saving over $2,000 per month per location in each location just on this one process. So previously, this money went to salaries or outsourcing someone to manually review the calls. And now it's handled by the system with no breaks, no vacations, and no human error. Number 3 that we got is accuracy and consistency. Human analysis is always subjective. Someone might miss a detail, someone might be distracted or tired, but with AI, the evaluation is based on clear, predefined criteria. Every call, every action, every detail is reviewed and assessed without any bias. Fourth, we got sales growth. Once we launched automated call quality control, service quality skyrocketed. Employees started following scripts more carefully, responding to objections more professionally, and engaging clients better. As the result, we got 20 to 30% increase in sales simply because the calls started to be more effective. Then we got transparency and control. Now we know exactly what happens on every call, not based on intuition, but based on real data. The scores, the summaries, sentiment analysis, and the direct links to recordings. If something goes wrong, we see it immediately. If a team member performs well, we see it and we can reward him. And here's one more powerful benefit. With hundreds or thousands of calls processed, AI can run deep and do large-scale analysis for the entire call database. It finds patterns like what concerns do customers raise most, what objections are common, what do they praise and what annoys them, what are their unmet expectations. The system then generates a report with recommendations, what to improve in your product, what to add in your service, how to enhance the customer journey. These are the deep and high-impact insights that would take you months or never happen without automation. And they're exactly what helps you grow faster, improve your offer, and drive real business results. Without this system, we would still be wasting time, money, and energy on manual work. Now we have an AI-driven system that works better than any human, and it runs 24/7, relentlessly, reliably, and automatically. Now let's dive into how the system actually evaluates each call. Every incoming call is automatically recorded in a detailed spreadsheet where all key parameters of the conversations are logged. Here's what we analyze in detail. First is the date of the call. Second is the duration of the call. If it's too short, it could mean that the client left early and it's a red flag. Third is time to answer. It's measured in seconds and shows how quickly the receptionist picks the phone. This affects how professional your service feels. Next, client's phone number and the number they dialed. It's saved for future reference. Next is the employee name. We always know who handled the call. It's allowing us to track performance over time. Next is call sources, where all the calls come from. It might be website, might be Instagram, WhatsApp, Booking, Google Maps, etc. This helps us understand which channel brings the most leads. Once the technical data is saved, the AI evaluates the actual content of the call. Each action is scored, either 1 if it's done correctly or 0 if it's not. Here are the main criteria. First, did they greet the client? Did they introduce themselves? Did they name the company? Did they do it all correctly? Second is, did they explain about the hotel? Did they ask how many guests will check in? Did they fully describe the capsules, the room numbers, and what's included, like a kit, a shower, etc.? Did they clearly state the price? Did they ask how the client found out about us? This is super useful for marketing. Did they summarize and confirm the booking details? If relevant, did they mention the rules for families with children? Each of these actions is binary, either completed or not. The total score reflects the overall call quality. For example, if it's 6 out of 7, then it's a good call. If it's 3 out of 7, then there is a problem. What else does the system deliver? For every call, it automatically sends a link to the call transcript, a link to listen to the audio, and a link to download the recording. Everything is saved in Google Sheets and instantly sent to Telegram group. The manager doesn't just receive a vague summary, they get a full, clear picture of who called, who received the call, how the call was handled, what is the result of the call in general. This means you can track and improve quality in real time and give accurate, fair feedback to your team. The most important thing is that this solution truly simplifies the life of the owners and the managers. It makes the business more stable and the team more efficient. First is 24/7 control. The system doesn't get tired. It doesn't forget, it doesn't take any days off. It checks every call no matter the time of the day of the week, or the workload. Even if it's night at one of your locations, or even if you are asleep, the AI is still working and logging every customer conversation. Second, you set it up once and it just works. This isn't something you constantly have to tweak, fix, or manually update. You build the Make.com scenario once and that's it. From then on, the system tracks calls, transcribes them, analyzes, scores them, and sends reports automatically. Once every few months, you might update the scoring criteria or add new rules, and that's the most you'll need to do. And most importantly, it scales. This system isn't just for one location. Now we have 4 locations of Caps Lock Capsule hotels in different cities and different airports, and we run one unified quality control system that works for all administrators across all branches. No extra staff, no extra cost. If we follow the traditional model, we would have to hire several quality control managers. That meant salaries, human error, and constant manual review. And one more important thing, when the system analyzes not just one, but dozens or hundreds of calls, it builds a full performance profile of every employee. It shows who performs consistently well, who is improving, and who keeps making mistakes and needs support. This lets you make database decisions on your human resources. You can motivate the top performers, train the ones who are falling behind, and so you can manage your team efficiently. Now let's talk briefly about money. What does this automation cost? The one-time setup with Make.com integration with Binotel, with AI connections, with evaluation logic, with Google Sheets and Telegram, it costs all about $1,000. That's if you are starting from scratch and with a high-quality tailored setup, and the monthly costs are minimal. If you have a medium volume of calls, then it's just $3 to $5 per month. That's the cost of operations in Make.com. It's not a subscription. You pay only for what you actually process. Now let's get to savings. The savings range from $2,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on the volume. It also includes salaries, fewer losses from employee mistakes, and increased sales conversion. And the bottom line, payback is 1 or 2 weeks maximum. After that, you're just saving money and improving your business every single day. And this is just one automated process. Once you implement automation across the board, the impact multiplies. In 2025, manually reviewing calls is like calculating profit on a pocket calculator. AI does it faster, more accurately, and without bias. If you don't automate routine tasks, your competitor will. If you don't monitor call quality, your customers will go to someone who does. If you want the same quality control system we use in our business, I've made it as simple as possible for you. Below this video, you'll find a link to our Telegram channel with a free bonus to help you set up this automation in just one evening. It includes, first, it's a PDF guide with the step-by-step instructions. I've outlined the full process from connecting Binotel to sending reports to Telegram. Second is Make.com automation blueprint that you can copy, adjust to your quality criteria, and launch instantly. And third is a video tutorial showing you exactly how to set it up yourself with no code, no technical team, just a simple visual interface. Download it, test it, implement it, and if you have questions, message me on Telegram, the link is below in the video. Subscribe to the channel, because in the next video, I'll show you how we automated entire marketing system at our Caps Lock Capsule hotels. So one piece of content is automatically adapted, posted across all the platforms like Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, etc. It's all done with Make.com. No extra marketers needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.